How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your start-stop switch on a 2018 HRV. This is a common issue that we're seeing in all year HRVs, and so basically I'm going to show you the code to look for, what lights you're going to see on the dashboard, and how to change it. And before we do that, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like this video so you don't miss any content just like this in the future. All right, guys, so here we have it. I have my HDS hooked up, or the Honda scan tool, and you have a B12C5 engine start-stop switch failure. And how you're gonna know you have an issue is you're gonna see this little light. It says starter system, not the external with the exclamation mark, because that's just on because I have the car off and ignition on. It's not running. But if you see the starter system light right above it, you're most likely you have this issue that I'm talking about right here. And this is if you have a scan tool, you're gonna scan it and you're gonna go into a body electrical, and it's gonna give you this code right here. So at that point, you're gonna need the switch, and I'm gonna show you how to change it right now. All right, so this is a switch right here. Obviously, you're gonna need to take out this panel. You're gonna use your trim tool, and you're gonna come over here to the corner. See if I could, and underneath it, start working it. Once you have a corner off, just do it by hand. All right, now you're gonna unplug it. Now you have these two little tabs here. You just gotta squeeze them and push the switch through. So this is the old one. This is the part number you need. Put this down for a second. This applies to all trims, all year HRV, every year. So now you're gonna take the switch, put into the little panel here, and hook it back up. Right, so plug back in. Now you're just gonna take it and pop the panel back on, just like that. And then at this point, you're gonna make sure it's working. All right, guys, so the switch is changed. I've done it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just clear the code. The car already starts and stops, no problems. We're gonna go ahead and clear this code. Just make sure it doesn't come back. All right, code is no longer there. I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna try it a few times. Wait for the computer to catch up to us here. All right, so there you go, guys. This is a very simple fix. The switch isn't that expensive. So if you have this issue with your HRV, hopefully this video will help you out. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Leave your comments below on the video and anything you'd like to see else in the future.